news from a Hartford school we first told you about yesterday. A 13-year-old is still in grave condition right now after overdosing on fentanyl. It happened yesterday here at the Sport and Medical Sciences Academy. Hartford police say they found a total of 40 bags of fentanyl in 2 classrooms and the gym. Now, the school was closed today to be cleaned and classes were canceled. 2 other 7th graders were exposed to the fentanyl and reported feeling dizzy. They were sent to the hospital but have since been released. Police are still trying to figure out exactly how the student who overdosed got his hands on the drugs.
We did execute a search warrant at the victim's home. I can't get into the investigative, what we found over there or where we're going in that case, other than it is still an active investigation.
Channel 3 Hartford Bureau Chief Aya Galal is live right now at the Hartford Police Department with more on this situation here. And Aya, this has kind of sparked a conversation now about Narcan in schools. Was there Narcan here in this case?
Mark, there was not Narcan in this case at the school, but we do know that Hartford Public Schools do not have Narcan, and Narcan is a life-saving medication that can help reverse the effects of an opioid overdose. And so the superintendent of Hartford Public Schools says that they are in touch with their medical director, and this is something that they're going to be looking into. They're going to have more conversations about it and see if that they will be training more staff on how to administer Narcan if it is potentially needed in the future.
Well, Aya, what comes next now in terms of the investigation? Do we know at this point when classes at the school could start up again, maybe after the holiday?
So in terms of the investigation, the Drug Enforcement Agency collected those 40 bags of fentanyl. They have been sent to a lab for further testing. And then we know that detectives with Hartford Police will continue questioning the students who were exposed to that fentanyl. And they are also in touch with the mother of the student who overdosed. They say that she is cooperating with the investigation. Now, in terms of when school will resume, the Department of Public Health has to clear the Sport and Medical Sciences Academy before classes can resume at the building. Decontamination efforts are ongoing, but at this point, it is unclear if classes will resume on Tuesday after the Martin Luther King holiday.
All right, Channel 3's Aya Galal, our Hartford Bureau Chief, thank you very much for that update.